Hey everybody, welcome back. I wanted to announce the winners of the FPV giveaway that just concluded. If you have won, I've already reached out to you, so check your email, check your spam folder. You'll definitely have a message from me. If I mention your name and you can't find the message, then leave a comment down below and I'll contact you again. So, alright, without further ado, for the 5 Hyperlite 2522 motors, we have Nik D. Congratulations, Nick. For the drone finder, a battery backup lipo buzzer, kind of like the Hellgate, we have Thomas Hewankorn. Congratulations, Thomas. For the 40 channel 200 milliwatt video transmitter, we have Raymond Kimmel. Congratulations, Raymond. And for the Hovership GoPro Session sled mount, we have Anish Kashyap. So congratulations, Anish. So there you have it, guys. So I want to say thank you all for taking the time to enter into the giveaway. If you didn't win, better luck next time. Congratulations to those of you who did win. And don't worry, if you didn't win, there will be more chances to win coming up in the future. We will definitely be doing more FPV giveaways. So if that's your thing and you want a chance at winning some cool FPV stuff, then subscribe to the channel. Definitely click the bell so you know when I upload that video or how are you going to win. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.